In front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Sound and Vibration. Then scroll to choose Vibration and Haptics, and thanks to this switcher here, disable or enable vibration and haptics on your smartphone. If you decided you do want to enable them, operate all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable them. Ring vibration. Vibrate first, then ring gradually. Notification vibration. Alarm. Touch feedback. And media. Once you're done, just tap on the back button. Then scroll, and last but not least, operate those 3 vibration options. This one, vibrate while dialing, charging sounds and vibration, and last but not least, always show icon when in vibrate mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!